Hey friends, this is Wendy Cannin, an Executive Brand Director with Tula XII, and it's time for another quick tip with Cannin Plannin. Today we're going to talk about jump bands. Jump bands come in packs of 4 in white or black, and I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how to use them today. So the fun thing about our covers is they already come with these fun elastic bands that allow you to be able to put the inserts in there. But sometimes you want more inserts than what the bands allow. For example, our Classic Pros only have 2 bands. Our Classics and Interchangeables have 4 bands. So a fun way that you can take this particular cover and add more inserts is by adding a jump band. So here's how that works. You're going to take your insert and open up to the stapled section. And you're going to install the jump band. Going to head on over to the second insert, turning to the stapled section, and adding the insert. With the inserts closed flat, you're going to slide them underneath the band of your cover, and that is as simple as that. A quick install of more inserts than what your cover will hold, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick tip with Cannin Plannin. Bye friends!